Is artificial intelligence the end of humanity as we know it? That's a question that's been on everyone's lips lately, hasn't it? We've all heard the ominous predictions in the sci-fi stories. Machines taking over the world, robots replacing humans in every job. It's easy to let fear and misunderstanding guide our perceptions, but let's take a moment and ask ourselves, or is AI in fact our greatest ally in the quest for progress and convenience? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not some otherworldly entity. It's a tool, a creation of human ingenuity. Now, when we say AI, we're not talking about robots with human-like consciousness or intelligence like you might see in a sci-fi movie. No, real-world AI is quite a bit different. Let's break it down. AI, as we know it today, falls into two categories: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, like recognizing your voice when you ask Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song. It's like a highly skilled worker, specialized in one particular job. It might be a whiz at that task, but ask it to do something outside of its programming and it's as lost as a polar bear in a desert. On the other hand, we have general AI. This is the type of AI you see in movies, the kind that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. It's more like a jack of all trades. However, as of now, general AI only exists in the realm of fiction and speculation. It's a fascinating concept, but we're still a long way from bringing it into reality. So, how does AI work? Well, it's all about patterns. AI uses something called machine learning, which is a bit like teaching a dog new tricks. You show the AI a bunch of examples, and it learns to recognize patterns. The more examples it sees, the better it gets at spotting these patterns. But it goes a step further. AI uses something called neural networks, which are designed to mimic the way our brains work. They're like a web of interconnected points, each processing a small piece of information, and together they can make sense of complex data. However, it's essential to remember that AI is just a tool. It doesn't have emotions, desires, or a will of its own. It does what we program it to do, nothing more, nothing less. The truth is, AI is as good or as bad as we make it. Artificial intelligence is already everywhere around us. It's the unseen guest at every dinner table, the silent companion on every commute, the invisible helper in every office. We may not see it, but we interact with it every day. Take Google, for instance. When you type a query into that familiar search bar, it's AI that sifts through billions of web pages, documents, and data points to deliver the most relevant results. Or consider Netflix. Ever wondered how it always seems to know just what you're in the mood to watch? That's AI at work, learning from your viewing habits and preferences to make spot-on recommendations. But the influence of AI extends far beyond our screens. It's revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we live, work, and play. In healthcare, AI algorithms are helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. On the road, self-driving cars powered by AI are set to make transportation safer and more efficient. AI is even helping us make better decisions. Whether it's a business deciding where to open a new store, a farmer figuring out when to plant crops, or a student choosing what to study, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide valuable insights and predictions. So, while we may hear a lot about AI's potential threats, it's important to remember the positive impact it's having on our lives. AI is not out to get us. It's here to help us. So, how does one navigate this brave new world of AI? Well, understanding AI and its limitations is key. This isn't some mystical, all-knowing oracle. It's a tool, a remarkable one, but still a tool. It can analyze data faster than any human, yes, but it doesn't have our intuition, our capacity for empathy, our ability to understand context beyond its programming. Staying informed about AI developments is also crucial. It's like keeping an eye on the horizon, looking out for the next transformative wave or the next potential pitfall. The AI landscape is changing rapidly, and being aware of those changes can help us make better decisions about how we interact with this technology. And of course, we must use AI tools responsibly. They can be powerful allies, but like any tool, they can cause harm if misused. They're a bit like fire. They can warm our homes, but they can also burn them down if we're not careful. Remember, the power of AI lies in how we choose to use it, and that choice, my friends, is entirely up to us.